Chapter 4 Carbon and its Compounds. The element carbon is a nonmetal. Its symbol is C, capital C. Carbon is a versatile element. The percentage of carbon present in earth crust in the form of mineral is 0.02% and in atmosphere as carbon dioxide is 0.03%. All the living things, plants and animals are made up of carbon-based compounds. The atomic number of carbon is 6. The electronic configuration here you can see 2, 4. In K shell 2 electrons and in the outermost shell L shell 4 electrons. How carbon attain noble gas configuration? Carbon is tetravalent. It does not form ionic bond by either losing 4 electrons or by gaining 4 electrons. It is difficult to hold 4 extra electrons and would require large amount of energy to remove 4 electrons. So carbon can form bond by sharing of its electrons with the electrons of other carbon atom or with other element and attain noble gas configuration. The atoms of other elements like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and chlorine also form bonds by sharing of electrons. The bond formed by sharing of electrons between same or different atoms is called covalent bond. Here we can see single covalent bond between hydrogen atoms. One shared pair of electron is there and hydrogen atoms between hydrogen atoms, single covalent bond between hydrogen atoms. Chlorine. Chlorine Cl2 is a diatomic molecule. The atomic number of chlorine is 17. When we draw the electron dot structure of chlorine, if its atomic number is 17, the electronic distribution will be 287 and the outermost shell it will show 7 electrons. To attain noble gas configuration, it will require one more electron. Here you can see one shared pair of electron. We can say that single bond between two chlorine atoms. Oxygen. Double bond between oxygen atoms. Oxygen molecule O2. Here double bond between oxygen atoms. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. The electronic distribution 2, 6. In the outermost shell, here you can see in the one oxygen atom you can see how many electrons are there? 6 electrons are there. 2 more electrons are required to attain noble gas configuration. Here you can see 2 oxygen atoms. They share 2 shared pair of electrons. Here you can see 2 shared pair of electrons. We can say double covalent bond between oxygen atoms. Nitrogen. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. N2. 2 atoms of nitrogen. Here they share 3 shared pair of electrons you can see. 5 electrons in the outermost shell. 3 more electrons are required to attain noble gas configuration. The nitrogen atoms share 3 electrons with each other. That's why we can say triple bond between nitrogen atoms. One molecule of water has single covalent bond between one oxygen and 2 hydrogen atoms. Here as you know, oxygen in the outermost shell, 6 electrons are there. 2 more electrons are required to attain noble gas configuration. One electron, the oxygen atom will share one electron with one hydrogen atom and the other electron it will share with other hydrogen atom. There it forms single covalent bond between one oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. Now try to draw the electron dot structure for ammonia. Here you can see one nitrogen atom and three hydrogen atoms are there. One nitrogen atom and three hydrogen atoms. As you know, the nitrogen in the outermost shell, 5 electrons are there in the outermost shell, and 3 more electrons are required to attain the noble gas configuration. It will share 3 electrons with 3 hydrogen atoms, or it forms 3 single covalent bond with 3 separate hydrogen atoms to form one molecule of ammonia. Draw the electron dot structure for methane. Methane, CH4, 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. As you know, carbon, its valency is 4, and here 4 more hydrogen atoms are there. We can draw the electron dot structure for methane like this. Okay, now allotropes. Allotropes. What are allotropes? Allotropes are different structural forms of the same element. For example, diamond, graphite and fullerenes are 3 allotropes of pure carbon. Diamond, graphite and fullerenes are 3 allotropes of carbon. The key difference between diamond, graphite and fullerene is that diamond has a diamond cubic crystal structure and graphite has a hexagonal crystal structure, while fullerene occurs as a large spheroidal molecule. In diamond, each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms, forming a rigid 3-dimensional structure. In graphite, carbon atoms bonded to 3 carbon atoms in the same plane, giving a hexagonal array. One of these bonds is a double bond and thus the valency of carbon is satisfied. Graphite structure is formed by the hexagonal arrays being placed in layers one above the other. Fullerenes. The first fullerenes identified was C60, which has carbon atoms arranged in the shape of the football. Since this looked like the geodesic domes designed by the US architect Buckminster Fuller, the molecule was named fullerene. Here you can see the structure of diamond, graphite and fullerene. Buckminster fullerene. 3 allotropes of carbon are diamond, graphite and Buckminster fullerene or fullerene.